What's up, guys? This is Adam, and I am the Logical Dude. Welcome to the first episode of the new format. So, actually, this is the first episode of my new Logical Dude YouTube channel. You guys may follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and now I am on Steemit and getting on DTube, which is really cool. If you guys don't know what that is, we're going to get into that a little bit later. So, anyway, just welcome to the channel, guys. I'm really excited. I'm excited about, getting into talking a lot about cryptocurrencies. I've become a cryptocurrency enthusiast to the point that I built a website called CoinLogic. It's coin-logic.com, or you can get it at coinlogic.online. It all routes to the same place. It is a coin market cap style website. Has a lot of information about the coins with some charting. It gives you latest news. So it's kind of like when I was really getting into crypto, I was wanting something kind of like a really nice all-in-one place to find what I needed to be able to use an exchange, be able to just get everything I needed all in one place as far as crypto is concerned. News, market information, all that kind of stuff. Well, that's what I'm working on building. So that's what I'm going to share with you guys. So hopefully you guys can pick that up, start following along with the site. It's going to keep growing. I'm building a learning center to kind of help new people get into cryptocurrency. That's kind of what I do. My forte is I take technical software, creative software, and I break it down and I teach people. That's what actually I do on a daily basis, as well as trade and that kind of thing. I do an array of things. I'm also a musician. You may have seen me on GrooveLogic TV, which is my other YouTube channel. You can also find me on groovelogic.audio. I've got, I'm an electronic producer. I do mixing and mastering work, that kind of thing, but not really getting into this so much on this channel. Kind of leaving that to the GrooveLogic TV channel and really sticking with talking about the cryptos, Forex, stock trading, talking about just world news, on a dudist kind of mentality. I believe in volunteerism, kind of on the form of anarchy, in a way of just, I believe in, we're all free human beings, guys. We're all here to live free. We're not owned by anybody. Nobody owns me. Okay? So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about ways that you can kind of put yourself in a mentality of being able to use the system to get out of the system and, not really be in the system as you're kind of living through it, So think on that. Anyway, the way that you can also do that is by moving to a legal state where pot is legal, because it helps you think outside the box, guys. If you're not doing this, join along. There's going to be a lot of this going on the channel, so if this offends you, I'm sorry, guys. You might want to go listen to another little tight ass somewhere else. But here, we like smoking weed. Occasionally drink a beer here and there. I used to have a problem, so I don't drink as much anymore, but if that's your thing, dude, have at it. So let's do this, guys. So I'm going to flip around to the screen. We're going to take a look at CoinLogic, which is one project that I'm working on. I was telling you about. We're going to kind of go over a couple little news articles that I saw that really interest me. I want to show you kind of TA that I'm looking at. Then I'm going to talk about some of my tools that I use to trade stocks and cryptos and that kind of thing. So, and talk about my last project, which is the shirtdude.com, which is another business of mine. It's one way that you guys can help support the channel, that kind of thing, is go and picking up some cool merch at theshirtdude.com. So I'll show you all that. So let's get into it, guys.
Alright, guys. It has been determined that a new mic is going to be purchased for doing these videos. I've been looking at this one little setup tower that's got like a camera with a light and a microphone. It's all like, built all into one little tower thing, but it's like $300. So, yeah, I think I'm just going to look for like a decent mic to do these videos with right now. But anyway, guys, to kind of talk a little bit about what you're looking at is my project my little gift. It's my project and that is CoinLogic. This is my little gift to the cryptocurrency community. So I kind of wanted to take everything that I wanted to see in crypto and put it all into one place. So I've kind of done that using WordPress and different plugins. I've been able to bring in market data from the CoinGecko API. I've also been able to bring in recent news using the Bitcoin news, which brings in from several different news sources, and it funnels it all into one place, so I don't have to go to 10 different sites. It all comes to one. And I can also buy and trade cryptos directly through my website using the Changely plugin that I have built in here. Some coins I found actually do send you to the Changely website, but that's all good. But things like Dash, your privacy coin stuff that you really want to be transacting in anyway to keep yourself private, because that's what crypto is all about, and you don't want the government really knowing what's going on. So you want to try to stay away from the KYC stuff. But some banks, if you're using your Visa debit cards to buy into crypto, they will require that by regulation law. Bleh. If you guys haven't figured it out yet, I'm not a big fan of government. But anyway, nor central banks. But, that's just the anarchist in me. But I digress. We will proceed. So yes, I like to actually purchase Dash, and I can send my Dash anywhere privately. It's really kind of nice. We also like to promote products that are worth being promoted, like the Ledger Nano, now the X. So this is their new prototype thing. It's going to be coming out in March. I've been seeing some of the YouTube guys that's been getting the prototypes, so cool for them. You may actually be able to get your hands on one of them. But yeah, I have a Ledger Nano S, which is a great product, which you can actually get now for $60. So if you use this link to go in, anything that you buy there, we get credit for it. It really helps out the channel, helps out the development of CoinLogic and all the other projects that we're doing. So yeah, we would greatly appreciate that. We also have a little section down here where we're shilling ourselves. You can tip us in your favorite crypto. If you click on one of the things, it pops up a QR code, so you can send us a little tip in crypto. We'd greatly appreciate it. This plugin didn't have XRP, so we included the XRP tip bot. This is the shirtdude.com, which is another one of my projects. We offer crypto shirts here. We'll take a look at that here in just a little bit. And these are different exchanges that I have tried and tested. I've tried some other exchanges. These are kind of my personal favorites. Obviously, we have the Changely plugin, which is, what the Changely exchange is what we use up here. Then we have Uphold. I actually have been using Uphold more and more lately. I like Uphold a lot. I can buy directly into XRP here. I can buy directly into different currencies. I can put directly into cash and have cash holdings. I can buy silver and gold holdings. Basically, they're kind of tokenizing silver and gold in a way, which is really cool. So yeah, I use that to trade. So that's kind of what I've been using to trade Forex. Instead of having like a Forex.com account, I've been using Uphold because I can buy and trade cryptos as well as the Forex and that kind of thing. So Uphold's a really cool site. They're also getting ready to start their own stablecoin and getting ready to offer actually like interest on your holdings that you keep with them. But I'm not a big fan of keeping stuff on an exchange. So let me just put that straight. I buy into it, send out to my private, my Ledger Nano S. And the money that I do keep on exchanges is really just for trading. So I have a certain amount that I'm willing to lose on those exchanges. I don't want to, but, I know the risk of having money on an exchange. Anyway, Binance. I use Binance with my Cryptohopper account. So great exchange, actually the top exchange in the world, probably one of the most trusted, next to Coinbase. Coinbase was kind of my start into crypto, as with most people. In the US, they are probably the easiest to get started with as far as buying in with your bank account, debit cards. You can withdraw now to PayPal. I use their commerce account with the Shirt Dude, so you can buy shirts with crypto. through the shirt dude, and that's actually who processes it, is Coinbase. So I use all these; they're tried and true, and I would never suggest anything otherwise. So moving along, showing you real quick, just kind of showing you the market data page, where you have your overall market data. You can start your little watch list here. You can search through different coins. When you click on one of the coins, it brings you up to an information page. I had this preloaded because my internet's been a little slow today. Actually getting a new modem tomorrow. Caused me to miss a day of work, which was poo. But anyway, that's beside the point. So anyway, when you click on one of those links, it opens you up to an information page on the coin. So it's great for beginners. I'm trying to build a content page that will be easy for people to kind of understand about crypto and, kind of have an understanding of how to get started with it and what these things are all about. It has a calculator built in. You have charts. You have, like historical trade data. You have different markets. There's different, social aspects, so you can see different tweets about Bitcoin or, whatever coin that you're selecting at the time and that kind of thing. You can see Reddit and Twitter feeds for that. And you can see that for all the different coins. Now, once you get up to about 25, 30, I haven't really gotten all of this information filled in yet. So, there may be some missing data here, but you should still get, some chart information and that kind of thing. Now, this is also heavily dependent upon the plugin that I used, the WordPress plugin. A lot of this is where that comes from, but I can't edit it. So, yeah. Let me know if you need to see changes happen, guys, and I will address those changes. Anyway, moving along, we also showing you the crypto news. So this is where you can find the latest news from all the latest sites. It all gets funneled right here into one place. So you don't have to go to all these different websites. You just come to one place to come and see all this different great information about cryptocurrencies. So now I'm just kind of wanting to kind of give you some tools, stuff that you're going to see in some of my videos that I use for trading. If you're an experienced trader, you know what you're looking at right here. This is tradingview.com. This is a very advanced site that you use for doing technical analysis. Really, you can do the same technical analysis for anything: stocks, cryptos, forex. I trade all three of those. Crypto, if I trade crypto manually, it's on the long term. I trade cryptocurrencies. I use Cryptohopper, which I'll show you in just a second, to do basically my day trading for crypto. I make long-term trades on stocks and forex. So you open up here, you can see my watch list. Like I just bought into some Aurora cannabis. I actually bought into it on the weekly chart, and you can kind of see, I like to get some of my signals from down here. You see how you can find your different trends. So we're kind of about to come up on a little bit more of an uptrend. I bought some here. There's also some good news coming out about, like this company here. I bought into some GE based on some, particular signals that I've been watching. Like here's a buy signal, that kind of thing. We'll get into a little bit of what I do. Not, saying mine is right at all. I'm a I'm a new trader to an extent, but I've got some experience. But, there's probably a lot of you guys out there that are way more experienced than me at technical analysis. But, hey, we're all here to learn together, guys, because we're not all that smart to where, we're multimillionaires, and that kind of thing. If you are, good for you. If not, then, there's a reason why you're looking at YouTube channels trying to, learn how to do technical analysis and that kind of thing. But anyway, I digress. So, I check these charts a lot. I use a lot of technical analysis, to make trades. My strategies have been working for me. I am not a financial advisor by any means, but we can talk about what I do and what has been working well for me. So anyway, as far as crypto trading, my active trades is done by Cryptohopper. So this is my Cryptohopper platform that I just started up this new hopper the other day. I kind of took a rest for a couple of months on it and came back to it. honestly, I had to cash out the crypto I was using for trading for Christmas. So, yeah, I'm just getting back into it. But yeah, it's just in the last couple of days, I'm already up a little bit, made some pretty successful trades. I will be doing some Cryptohopper videos on some of the setups that I'm using, some of the different hoppers that I've used in the past, and that kind of thing. This is a really awesome setup. So I feel like it's for $20 a month. I am, it's like this is my little digital employee, so he's cheap, Hopper's cheap. His name is Hopper. That's what I named my Hopper. It's Cryptohopper, whatever. Let's see how many times I can say Hopper. But anyway, so he's my little cheap employee that I pay $20 a month to do my work for me. So crypto can get traded while I sleep and while I play and whatever, and I don't have to really worry about it because it all fits into my rules that I set for it. So for my stocks, and also for my long crypto trades, like my long manual crypto trades, I can use Robinhood. So Robinhood is my favorite trading platform for stocks just because it's nice and clean looking. The app works really well. It's simple to get in. There's no it's really easy to get in and out of, through your bank account. They have great information, news. It has, so like you can look up, okay, the 100 most popular kind of thing. So it shows like the popularity, how many people own it, on Robinhood, what the analysis is looking by. You can sort, like I like to sort by analysis rating. I like to see what they think is a buy, so I'll check out these stocks, I'll jump over to TradingView, see what they constitute as a buy, what it's looking at based on my rules, and if I feel like it fits into my rules, I might buy some, Now granted, if it fits into my price range, which stuff like Amazon does not. I'm cheap, so I don't buy more than, it's below that $25 range because I like to buy multiples shares. So yeah, I like to play around in the $8 to $10 range stocks. But anyway, that's just me. Again, I'm just new. I'm getting started, but it's just a little investment opportunity that I'm working on. My real things that I'm really seriously trying to grow at the moment, and I have put a lot of capital investment and I'm putting a lot of time investment into, is my Steemit page. It's growing. I've just kind of gotten it started in the last couple of weeks, but this is like I don't know what took me so long to get into Steemit, but yeah, just putting a couple of posts up and I've already made a few little bucks off of it. And, the more engagement that you do, the more you can make off of it. I will do a whole overview on Steemit and kind of like the beginner's overview of Steemit kind of thing. They also have their own little DTube, which is their YouTube knockoff kind of thing. It's actually pretty awesome. It all ties in together. So when I post on DTube, it also posts on Steemit as well. All of my social media, including Twitter and my Instagram, are all getting funneled into Steemit. I will talk to you in a later video on how I'm doing that and show you how to get that done for yourself. But anyway, guys, definitely come over to The Logical Dude. I need some love, guys. I need some followers. So come check it out. And then my last project is the Shirt Dude. So this was just... I started making these little designs and just found a print distributor that tied in with WordPress using Printful as the fulfillment center. So I just submitted my designs, set my prices, and you can buy with cryptocurrency or you can use PayPal. And so yeah, free shipping on all orders. Go get you some t-shirts. I've got more designs coming, some stuff that I've been working on. I'm using some modern, some template designs that I'm changing up and doing some stuff. Kind of ran out of ideas, honestly, but yeah, go check it out. But anyway, guys, that's it for right now. Thanks for watching this intro video. If you made it all the way through, you're freaking awesome. If not, just keep looking out. Peace.